Hey guys, it's Ira again, and today we're going to be spray painting this because we have now repaired this and covered up these because they were broken on the outside. And then we're spray painting.
So the crack, we added a stiffener and we patched it with some quick steel. You want to show them the paint we're using?
We're using Canyon green paint.
Good.
Really good looking. Here's what the panels look like after they were painted.
Where was the repair?
It was right over here. Look really closely, you can see the holes a little bit. Hey guys, so now we get to clean the fuel tank and fix this fuel caulk that came off of the bottom of the tank. And we're going to use mechanical fingers and some rags to clean it. We cleaned the inside of the fuel tank and we fixed the threads for the fuel caulk and replaced it. Hey everyone, so we have now painted the fuel tank green. It looks really nice in my opinion. And we will come back tomorrow and show you the finished product. Hey guys, when I snap my fingers, the rear view mirror will be installed. 3, 2, 1. We are wondering if we should paint this green or not, so make sure you tell us in the comments below.